Hey guys, this is Josh here with Airsoft Squad 100. Today I'm going to be doing a breakdown of my new KWI LM4 PTS. First, remove the rear back pin. The receivers will then separate. The buffer should not come out like that, but it did. Then you pull on your charging handle. You can pull out your bolt carrier and charging handle. Push on the front pin. These pins are held in pretty good. Sometimes you need to take a screwdriver. Push out the front pin if you can, and then the receivers will separate. Push down on the bolt lock, your buffer tube, and here's your buffer spring. And then in there's the trigger and assembly. There's your bolt catch. So that is the disassembly of the KWI LM4 PTS, excuse me. So now I'm gonna quickly reassemble it. First, starting with the buffer and buffer spring. If I can get my bolt catch is a little funky, doesn't always lock back. The magazine in, and now it is reassembled. So thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe.